ko na why you had to be so tough on me. Kasi
Tough love.
you want me to pick up myself. Ayaw mo kong akayin. Which is true. Ayaw niya akong akayin kasi malaking tiwala niya sa akin
Na kaya mo.
kakayanin ko at kaya ko. So, yung mga ganon, nawala man siya, nagkaayos kami.
Oh, yun ang pinaka-importante.
And when I remember it, when I think about it now, syempre, bittersweet, right? Kasi naayos ko sarili ko on his way out of this world. Well, we don't know that, di ba, that you're about to leave. And then, syempre, may mga pinagdaan ng problema yung family ko. Wala ako, kasi nasa loob ko. Pero ngayon, ewan ko siguro sa tulong na rin ng Diyos, Dolly, because I've been
Definitely.
I've been so prayerful.
Yeah. Dahil you have a good heart, kahit krung-krung ka.
Opo, kahit krung-krung ako. Part of living life, you know, as much as we can, to the fullest that we can, no? Pero yes, I always had a good heart. And I'm just happy na hindi siya umalis ng hindi kami okay. Alam mo, kahit sa sulat na lang. And yun, nung palabas ako, or no, actually habang nasa loob ako, I kept getting word from my mom na, Megan, please do good with your program kasi when you go out, tatay want to do a US tour with you again. You're gonna sing together. And that's what I cried most about kasi nga, hindi na nangyari.